how to change your Facebook handle name. So let's begin. First, you need to open the Facebook application, and then you have to click on these three lines you see here. After that, go to Settings and Privacy, and within that, click on Settings. As soon as you click on Settings, you need to click on these options here. Then click on Profiles, and after that, select your Facebook profile. Once you select your Facebook profile, you see the second option here, which is Username. Click on it. As soon as you click on it, your current username will be displayed here. You can change it from here. For example, I will remove all these extra A's from here and set my username or handle to this one. Now you can see that this username is not available. You can choose any username you like here. Username and handle are the same thing. After that, click on Done, and this is how you can change your Facebook handle name. So that was today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you enjoyed it, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell icon.